Today we will install a hidden video camera in regular wall clock. To do this, you will need an ordinary quartz wall clock and a hidden video camera, which is sold a lot on Aliexpress. So let's unpack the clock. We will get it and prepare for installation. To do this, remove the back cover of the watch. We have a back cover on latches. This is how they look now. Now let's get the mini video camera. As you can see, it's very compact and has a pinhole camera and the battery. Now let's take an awl or any sharp thin material product and make a hole in the clock dial. It's important to remember that such a hole is easier to hide on a black or dark background. We have black watches. If the hole is not perfect, you can correct it with a clerical knife. Now tint the uneven edges of the dial hole with a black marker, like this. Now let's bring it to perfection. And here we have a hole. Now let's move on to installing the camera. To do this, take a soft substrate. You can take parts of the packaging materials. It should be soft and elastic. Cut off a piece twice the area of the camera and make the thickness equal to the depth of the camera, like this. Now let's take an ordinary ballpoint pen and make a hole in the substrate with its body. It will be slightly smaller than the diameter of our lens, exactly like we need it. The camera after installation should be installed tightly. Now using a clerical knife, we will make it a platform for installing the camera. This is how we got such a platform. Now let's install the camera. To do this, we firmly install our pinhole in a soft substrate. It should turn out like this. Now let's start assembling our spy gadget. For this, we need a glue gun. I use the simplest one. Now I will explain why we made the substrate. Firstly, we do not risk staining the camera, its contacts and optics. And secondly, the camera itself heats up during operation and there is a risk that the glue may melt and detach from the surface of the clock. In addition, after removing the camera from the watch, the backing can be left in place for a quick reinstallation of the camera. We direct the pinhole camera exactly in the hole. For accuracy, you can use either a phone or a monitor in which there will be online video from this camera. Now we will install the SD card in our mini CCTV IP camera. to install the camera in the wall plug using a glue gun. Now, let's install the battery. We also attach it to the surface with a gun. Everything is holding tight enough. Now we hide the Wi-Fi antenna and put the camera cable in the order. To do this, again use the glue gun. Let's turn on our pinhole camera. We see that the indication has started working, which means that the video recording has begun and Wi-Fi is working properly. Here is such a spy beauty we got on the back on the wall clock. We have on board a small pinhole video camera with a battery, Wi-Fi and a memory card. Now let's install the battery in the clock and set the current time. Assemble the watch case in reverse order. We can hang the clock on the wall. As you can see, the clock looks quite ordinary, and the camera holes are not visible at all. A person who doesn't know about the presence of covered video surveillance will never pay attention to ordinary watches. And now you can see how the hidden camera filled in. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, there will be a lot of interesting.